Today we're going to be practicing how to introduce yourselves in a conversation or when you meet someone new. And why is that important? Well, because the first 30 seconds that you meet someone, they form an impression about you. And you want to make sure that that impression is a good impression, is a positive impression. So, when you're meeting someone new, you don't want to just say, hi, and that's it. You want to smile, project your voice, and say, hello, my name is Mary.
Hi, my name is Iris.
Very good. Nice to meet you, Iris. And then when someone says nice to meet you, you want to say nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
And now, if you're at a park, then you want to ask the child whatever it is you want to ask them. Maybe you want to ask them to play with you at the swings or to play tag with you and so on. Let's practice over here with Lucas. Ready, Luke? Hi, my name is Mary.
Hi, Mommy.
What's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas, nice to meet you.
Like to eat apples with me?
Want to eat apples with you?
Yeah.
Sure.
Mom.
Okay, come on. All right, ready? Hi, my name is Mary.
Hi, Mary.
What's your name?
My name's Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily.
You want to play with me?
Sure, what do you want to play?
How about we play downstairs in my basement?
Okay.
There's so much toys down there.
Oh, wow. I surely want to play. Ready? I'm going to go with Jittery.
And do you want to play kitchen with me?
Sure, I want to play kitchen. Ready? Hi, my name is Mary.
Hi, Mary.
What's your name?
My name's Jade.
Nice to meet you, Jade.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so really, one important thing is that you are smiling, because when you smile, you already are giving that person a good impression. Being able to smile is the language of love and positivity. So it's really important that you smile and you project your voice. Now, we're going to practice that you are going to go up to me. You saw how nice Mary was and how smiley she was and how she projected her voice. Now you're going to go up to Mary at the park. Now Mary's just a little girl and you're going to introduce yourself to her. Ready? Let's see. Iris, you want to start over here first?
Yeah.
Right, go ahead, Iris.
Hi, my name is Iris. What's your name?
My name is Mary.
Nice to meet you, Mary.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you want to come watch birds with me?
Watch birds? Sure. Good job, Iris. All right. Okay, let's let Lucas go since he really wants to go. Okay, it's Lucas's turn. Go ahead, Luke.
Hi.
Hi.
You want to play kitchen with me?
Want to play kitchen with you? Sure. Now remember, Lucas, when you go up to someone, you want to say, hi, my name is Lucas. What's your name? You want to try again? Ready? Go.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi, Lucas.
want to play kitchen with me?
Sure. Okay, good job, Luke. That was good. All right, Emma, you want to go next?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, Luke. All right, it's Emma's turn. Go ahead, Emma. Sit right here and introduce yourself to me.
Hi. What's your name?
Hi. My name is Mary.
Nice to meet you, Mary. My name's Emily. I'm Molly. Do you want to play with me?
Sure. What do you want to play?
What do you want to play?
Let's go play at the swings.
Okay, come on.
Okay, good job. Oh, all right, it's Jade's turn now. Go ahead, Jade.
Hi.
Hi.
My name's Jade. What's your name?
My name is Mary.
Hi, Mary. Would you like to play with me on the monkey bar?
Sure. Now I want you all to understand something. Sometimes when you meet people, they may not be as friendly as you are, and they may be shy. And so when you introduce yourselves, they may not want to talk or they may not want to play with you, and that's totally fine. And you'll get the impression that that's what they want to do. They don't want to talk and they don't want to play. That's fine. You just move on to the next person. But just understand that not everyone's going to be just as happy as I am and want to play every single game. Keep that in mind, but that should not discourage you. There's all types of people, and for the most part, if you're nice and you're smiling and you're introducing yourself, people will respond positively to that. So you all did a very good job. Remember, next time you're at a park or you're at a place and you see someone that you want to introduce yourselves to, go up to them, say your name, ask them their name, say nice to meet you, and then ask them a question whether you want to play with them or not. Another thing is people's names. Try to remember their names because people's names are very special to them. And when you remember their names, it really makes a good impression on them. So the next time you see them, you say, "Hi, Mary." And they're going to be like, "Wow, she remembers my name." So remembering people's names is very important. All right, you guys did a great job. High five. P5. All right.
I got one more.
Sure. All right, so if you guys are watching, we're going to be doing this series of manners, etiquette, and just teaching children how to behave in public and things like that. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do. We're going to continue making these videos to teach children, to teach parents how to work with their children. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Say bye!